Learn the cognates. This will immediately solve your problem with vocabulary. Most of the time, words ending with "shan" are sung in Portuguese. For example, nation, nação; nutrition, nutrição; education, educação; congregation, congregação; communication, comunicação; information, informação. Words with the suffix "t" are dage in Portuguese. For example, nationality is nacionalidade; morality, moralidade; city, cidade; eternity, eternidade; quality, qualidade. Most of the time, words with the suffix "li" in English are mente in Portuguese. For example, normally is normalmente; naturally is naturalmente; biblically is biblicamente; scientifically is scientificamente. Words with the ending "ari" in English are usually equivalent to "ario" in Portuguese, or "área." Let's say, for instance, necessary is necessário; ordinary is ordinário; vocabulary is vocabulário; contrary is contrário; missionary is missionário. Most of the time, words with the ending "ent" in English are "ente" in Portuguese. For example, present is presente; president is presidente; obedient is obediente; permanent is permanente; frequent is frequente. Words with the suffix "fi" in English are "fia" most of the time in Portuguese. Photography is fotografia; philosophy is filosofia; geography is geografia; biography is biografia; stenography is estenografia. Words with the suffix "pol" are usually equivalent to "lo" in Portuguese. For example, example is exemplo; temple is templo; quadruple is quadruplo; multiple, múltiplo; triple is triplo. Words with the suffix "bol" or "ple" in English are usually "vel" in Portuguese. For example, possible is possível; flexible is flexível; accessible is acessível; visible is visível; miserable, miserável. Words with the suffix "ism" in English are usually ismo or isma in Portuguese. Organism is organismo; journalism is jornalismo; tourism is turismo; favoritism, favoritismo; metabolism, metabolismo; magnetism, magnetismo. Most of the time, words with the suffix "ens" are equivalent to "ência" in Portuguese. For example, independence is independência; evidence is evidencia. Conference is conferencia. Violence is violencia. Essence is esencia.